The organization is really founded on supporting individuals and families so that they could reach self-sufficiency. Part of what we do at our organization is to provide a holistic approach to services so that people have the opportunity to dream, hope, helping their children in terms of education, helping their older adults and their family members have access to opportunities for socialization. And one of the key challenges that we see is transportation being a major barrier for our communities. And we are very concerned that folks that don't have transportation are not able to access these services that will allow them to be independent, to be more empowered. We have several vans, many of them generously donated by local community foundations and other funders in the community. But what we're finding as demand rises, we're having a very difficult time utilizing the existing resources and the vans that we have. So we have an example where in our Lucky Seniors program, we have so many folks that are interested to attend, but we only have 2 vans that are servicing them that we have to do shifts to make sure we can get roughly 8 to 10 seniors at a time from one location to our congregate meal and socialization program. I'm just totally impressed by our team. They will take the time if someone needs a ride to their home or a ride to the program, that they will take the time to pick them up, to take them to wherever they need. And that says a lot about the way that our organization works. It's really about caring about our communities and showing empathy and compassion.
From Nepal, I came 2016, and I came with my son, only 2 of us. I follow my parents. I used to work social worker without pay. First of all, you can help for your community, what they need. And also if you keep on helping every day, you feel happy, you feel satisfied. Some of them, they are really, really needy family. I have to work hard for them. If they don't have any benefit and they don't know how to find, where to file, who can help them, we have to do something. So if they have a hope, then we can increase their hope, right? And day by day they can improve by themselves.
If we do not provide the transportation, then we're not able to continue. We're not able to get those people here because they never been using the public transportations, because the buses, they have to walk a long distance to catch the bus.
यसले म एसएन अफिसको मान्छेले सहयोग गर्छ मलाई, म सहयोग नगर्थ्यो भने म देख्थिनँ, म जान्थिनँ होला, म त्यसरी लकी भइरहेछु। नेपालबाट कहीँ नानीहरूको भविष्य बनिन्छ भनेर आएको। मलाई अलिकति यो नजानेको कुरा कोही कुरा सिकाउँछ। म आँखा नदेखे पनि मलाई कानले सुन्छु। अंगुर पाइन्छ, बनाना पाइन्छ, स्याउ पाइन्छ, चिउरा पाइन्छ।
This issue is really important that we address so that they can get access to care and services. For young folks that don't drive and they need to get to an after-school program, otherwise they'd be home or may not have opportunities to thrive.
ISEP is an after-school program. We've been in operations for about 25 years now. We provide an opportunity for English second language refugee and immigrant students to come and find a safe place where they can feel comfortable with their peers, with seeking homework help, with knowing that as long as they try, they can succeed. Definitely keeping them in that structured, safe environment is part of what makes ISEP so successful.
I get to meet new friends at ISEP, so we know each other, and we can learn about other countries by asking them. It is a place where we practice English, how to speak English. That's why I get a little bit better than before.
Teachers can help you with your homework. You can play games when you're done with it, and you get to talk with your friends. ISEP is so much fun.
Our program runs immediately after school, so the students come straight from school to our program. Their family don't have cars, parents are working, they can't pick them up, so students find themselves walking home the majority of time. Rain, snow, dark, very busy neighborhood as this, a lot of main roads, a lot of traffic as well. So we're always concerned about whether or not they're taking safe routes home. There's about 18 to 20 students that are walking home. Transportation would definitely help with the safety of our students getting home. We do provide, on a limited basis, unfortunately, a van, and we're able to provide some level of transportation for them home for at least 14 of our students. When they've moved on, when they've graduated, they actually look back and say, Ms. Kelly, if I didn't have ISEP, I don't know where I'd be. To see that they're going off to college or they're in a great job and they help provide with the family now, and that's really rewarding to see.
I mean, without transportation, we face some challenges. Without transportation, our children that are part of our after-school program now may not have access to enriching opportunities, and they're more likely to and more susceptible to being part of gangs or be influenced by drugs. Without transportation, our domestic violence victims might have a difficulty, and it may be a matter of life or death, and every second counts. And so it's so important that transportation, the access to transportation, is available for our clients. So with your generous support this evening, we can ensure that transportation is not a barrier for optimal health and well-being for our communities. And so for that, we really appreciate your support this evening. Thank you.